I hope you all had a great day. Auto Care Secret here. And today we're going to talk about the symptoms of a bad starter. The purpose of the starter is simple. It turns the engine so that the ECM can command fuel and spark to start the combustion process. You'll usually find the starter located close to the flywheel or the flex plate of the engine. For example, here's the location on a Toyota Camry. Symptom 1, no crank, no start. This is one of the most common signs of a bad starter. It often happens due to an internal electrical issue. Either the starter solenoid isn't functioning or the brushes inside the starter are worn out, preventing current from passing through the commutator to get the starter turning. Quick tip from Auto Care Secret. Have someone gently smack the starter with a dead blow hammer while another person turns the key. If you're lucky, this can temporarily move the brushes into better contact with the commutator, allowing current to pass and the engine to crank. Symptom 2, one-click sound. You turn the key, but all you hear is a single click. That click is the solenoid activating the plunger to move the pinion gear outward to touch the flywheel. But the starter motor itself isn't turning, usually, due to an internal electrical fault. Symptom 3, slow crank. If your engine cranks slowly, it could be caused by poor contact between the brushes and the commutator. This limits the current flow and prevents the motor from producing its full torque to turn the engine. Symptom 4, starter spins. Engine doesn't, sometimes. You might hear the starter spinning freely, but the engine doesn't crank. This happens when the starter motor engages, but the pinion gear fails to move outward and connect with the flywheel or flex plate. Symptom 5, grinding noise. A grinding sound during cranking usually indicates a damaged pinion gear. If the gear teeth are defective, they won't mesh properly with the flywheel or flex plate, creating that grinding noise. Before you decide the starter is the issue, always check the battery and make sure all connections are clean and free from corrosion. And just so you know, my other problems can cause similar symptoms. So, rule those out before replacing your starter. That's it. Now you know the key symptoms of a bad starter. I hope you learned something new today. If you want to see more helpful videos like this, check out our Auto Symptoms playlist. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Auto Care Secret so I can see you in the next video.